Welcome to my FL Studio tutorial. Wait, let me try that again. Welcome to this FL Studio tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spooky, like Mario, like haunted castle, like type beat. Fuck it, right? I don't really know. So, let me actually make sure this is recording. It's not. Good thing I made sure. So, this looks kind of complicated. I'm going to break it down in a more simple way. So, you want to have some sounds. Fruity Loops, the version I got, comes with this beautiful folder right here. And it says packs. You're going to want to go down to drums. You're going to want to go down to kicks, 808 kick, hats, just all this stuff I found in there basically. So yeah, I got a bunch of noises. I got, this is on SimSynth. It's just one of the, it just comes already on FL. I didn't really do anything special on any of this stuff here, except for on Groove Machine. Fuck, how am I going to show you how to do this? You know what? You got to figure this part out yourself. No, I'm just playing. So you go default, you go the bank, you go user, you press, oh shit, what did I just do? Fuck. Wait, oh my god. Holy shit. I just fucked this beat up. Don't save those changes. Okay, let's try this again. Blank screen, I know. I'm just gonna have to... God damn it. How did I fuck it up so quickly? Please tell me everything's okay now. Thank God. Holy shit. So, what you're going to want to do, I'm for sure not going to show you how to do it now, but you go bank, and you go user, and then you press default, and if you want to copy my exact settings, that's on you, but basically, there's so much to play with here. Like, there's so many different things you can do. I made this sound. The way that I did made it sound like a tremolo. You can tell, so basically all you have to do this is you make one long thing, and then you go here to how fast or slow you want it, and then you just press Control, and then you press and highlight it, and then you press Control U, and now you have a bunch of little tiny sounds. Wasn't that satisfying? So, now that I explained that noise, let's get into this one. What's that noise? Oh, so... yeah, that's what I thought. This is the kick. Pretty straightforward kick. Just... So that snare is an amazing noise. I'm going to show you how I did it. So it's just a normal 808 snare, but I put a couple effects on it. You can see I have the reverb on there. I'm not going to mess with these settings, I'm just showing you everything I did. So if you want to pause it, you can choose these same exact settings for yourself, or do whatever you want to do. Did I just unplug my headphones? No. Okay. So I'm going to show you what the snare sounded like before I did all this stuff to it. You'll see it was just a normal snare. That's not what I was looking for. Snare, pattern 5, right? Yeah, what the fuck? Normal basic snare. There's nothing special about it. A little bit of reverb. Got the convolver on. And the delay. So you can see how quick it goes from being just a normal, uninteresting 808 snare to having a little bit of personality. So this is just this ritual, my producer tag. That's just something you can just Google fucking text to speech downloadable MP3 and you can type in anything you want. And then it has a female voice and a male voice. They didn't have different accents. I hella wanted it to be like a Japanese accent or like a European accent or something, but the website I went on didn't have that shit. What else should I explain? 3 times oscillation. So another thing about the kick is you'll notice it's not. What is this? I knew they're fucking tuned to G-sharp 5. I'm just such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. So it comes tuned to the C5, and the way that you find out what did I just do? Okay, I don't know what I just. Fuck it. What was I even talking about just now? So the kick. So a normal 808 kick does not just sound like that. This 808 kick. So the way you do it is you go edit, you press this little button right here, then you go down to detect pitch regions, and you'll see that it's G sharp 2. So I have it tuned to G sharp, but I have it tuned to G sharp 5 because that's closer to C5 than G sharp 2. If I would have tuned it to G sharp 2, it would just be super high. So, but you want to get your 808 tuned properly. And the other thing that you need to make sure is that it's not, so it doesn't come like this. It comes, and there's delay, sustain, and release, but for what we're using it for, we just want it like that because it's just a little kick, just a little punch for you. My nose was just hella, I don't know if you can notice, it's all up on this thing, but yeah. So since it's like that, we have room for this 3 times oscillation. Oh, I can't hear shit. Yeah, I can not hear anything. So the way that you get that bass like that is you go into your 3 times oscillator. You do the same type of thing with the hold and the decay, sustain, and release and attack. No delay, nothing besides hold. And then you go over here and you turn all the choruses down to 0. And then guess what? You have a sick bass line. Another thing that you're going to want to do is like, if you want that spooky theme, so this is a organic minor on SimSynth, this pattern 9. I'll show you right now. Organic minor chords. So it sounds like I always thought the lower ones like A3 and it just always sounds like hella video gamey, like or carnival games or something. I don't know, it just depends on how you, like, I don't know. I don't know. It's really, fuck, let me try something. So, I'm not very creative on the piano, but I feel like I've explained this well enough. So let's listen to the beat now. Let's listen to everything all put together, because fuck it, right? Also, remember how we did the groove machine? That's the same type of thing that you're going to want to do to the closed hat, the closed hi-hat. Just switch it up, you know? Oh my god, why can I never hear anything? What the fuck's going on here? You feel me? So you just gotta switch it up a little bit and try to keep it G.